ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ వణకం. నాకు ఎలా కన్యాన్నకి తెలుగు వచ్చి కాబట్టి తెలుగులో చెప్తా ఫస్ట్లో. తర్వాత తర్వాత నాకు తమిళ రాదు కాబట్టి ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తాను అందరికీ. థ్యాంక్స్ కన్యన్న, ఈరోజు రావటం ఇట్స్ వెరీ స్పెషల్. అంటే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినప్పుడు మీరందరూ ఉన్నారు, బట్ నాకు బిగినింగ్లో చెన్నైలో షూట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈజ్ మై క్లోజెస్ట్. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి నా ప్రతిసారి ఈవెన్ వెన్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ షూటింగ్ ఫర్ హిస్ ఫిల్మ్ ఐ యూస్ టు మీట్ హిమ్ అండ్ దెన్ ఓన్లీ గో బ్యాక్ టు హైదరాబాద్. Now he's a very, very busy actor in Telugu, so we don't get to meet in Hyderabad. But thanks, Anna. Thanks again. And I'm very, very happy being here today. Reason is I've broken Tamil பிரச்சனை எனக்கு பிடிக்காது. ஸோ அதுக்கு தான் நான் இங்கிலீஷில் பேசுகிறேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் மோர் கான்ஃபிடென்ட்గా தமிழில் మాట్లాడతాను. So I even Telugu audience know, in every interview of mine, when they ask me what inspired you to become an actor, I always tell them it's Mani sir films and Kamal sir films. So I have grown up watching a lot of Tamil cinema, and Tamil cinema has been an inspiration for me to come into cinema. I loved watching a lot of Telugu cinema in theaters and all, but to become a film, come into the film industry, a lot of Tamil technicians, Tamil actors, Tamil cinema has inspired me a lot. So I always had that one special bond and special connection with the language and Tamil films in special. And so when I started, I wanted to do Tamil films also regularly, continuously. Then I did, after Naan-E, இங்கே அது பெரிய ஹிட்டு. அதுக்கப்புறம் whenever I came to Chennai to shoot Jenda Pickup Raju or to shoot Veppam or Needane and Ponnasandam Telugu version, from the airport I used to get a lot of love. Elder women treating me like their own son. I used to say like, you are like one proper Tamil paya, and so I used to feel very, very special. So I have some connection from the past life, could be, or this life itself. So I always felt I need to be here also. There needs to be a home here also. And then I did Veppam. Didn't work at the box office. And I did Aha Kalyanam, tried again. That also didn't work at the box office. And then I asked myself, something is going wrong. Why it didn't work? Because that much love you have showed me for a half an hour role in Iga, in Naan-E, and the films didn't work. Then I've understood we shouldn't think too much about nativizing the film, or putting few Telugu actors, few Tamil actors, making a bilingual. It doesn't work like that. Not every film is for everybody. Then I thought I need to take a break. I need to find my ground in Telugu, and then I have to come back to revisit my extended family and in a proper way. And I took a long time. There was a big break, but so I wanted a right film, a film which is not native of Tamil, not native of Telugu. It's something which just has the heart in the right place, which anybody, any human being can connect from the heart. And I wish I had an opportunity like that with Jersey, because I knew how many Tamil audience loved the film. Watching the Telugu film, every day on social media, everywhere, I get a lot of appreciation from Tamil audience. I wish I did that, but at that time I couldn't. So I waited, and I knew I had to do the right film. And then other films, my Tak Jagdish and all, came in OTT. But at that time, that was all native films. Those were not preferred for me in Tamil. So when I did Shyam, when I heard Shyam itself, I remember telling the team also in the beginning that I want this film to be in Tamil, because I thought after these many years, if I come back to Tamil cinema, it has to prove that he did grow, he did learn something, or whatever I have done mistakes in 2012 and 13, it should feel like I understood what it was. So Shyam Singh Roy really, really felt like that film. I need to come back to you, to all of you, and I'm very happy. The film came out so well, and we are all very, very confident as a team. Pallavi did amazing job, and already we are just 1 week away, and I can't really wait for all of you to watch it in theaters and give your feedback to us. And yeah, once again thanking my entire team who made it possible, including Venkat Garu. Otherwise the film wouldn't have shaped this way. And once again thank you media for being here. Definitely post the release, I'm sure you'll all love the film, and we will again come back here, and I will try to say a few dialogues of the film also in Tamil, and we will celebrate the success of Shyam Singh Roy Tamil version also here in Chennai again with all of you. Thank you so much once again. Thanks a lot. Feels very special coming back. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And கண்டிப்பா நீங்க வந்து டயலாக் பேசி காட்டணும். ஏன்னா தமிழ்ல வந்து நீங்க தான் டப் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க வேற. ஸோ அது கேட்டது சூப்பர். என்ன இப்படி கேட்டுட்டீங்க, தெரிக்க விட்டீங்க. தியேட்டர்ல எல்லாரும் வந்து பயங்கரமா வந்து என்ஜாய் பண்ண போறாங்க. கேர்ள்ஸ் எஸ்பெஷலி தே ஆர் கோயிங் டு லவ் யூ லைக் எனிதிங் ஃபார் தட் ரெண்டு இதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஆமா சூப்பர். ஸோ நவ் ஓவர் டு பிரஸ். உங்களோட கொஸ்டின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர் செஷன் வந்து நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம்.
நானே ஓய்யா I mean, Vasu, wannabe director, and Shyam Singh Roy, very intense role. So the looks itself is quite different, and the performance itself is quite different.
Please ask in Tamil.
ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் அந்த வாசுவை பார்க்கும்போது வந்து ஒரு கண்டெம்பரரி ஒரு டைரக்டர் ஆகணும் அந்த ஒரு ஜோஷ்ல இன்னைக்கு இருக்கிற யங்ஸ்டர். பட் ஷாம் சிங் ராய் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டோட்டலி டிஃப்ரெண்ட். ஒரு பீரியட் காஸ்டியூம் பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் இன்டென்ஸாக இருக்கு. ஸோ பண்ணுறதுக்கு இன் டர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் வெயிட்டும் போட்டா மாதிரி இருக்கு நீங்கள் ஷாம் சிங் ராய்க்கு. ஸோ அது எப்படி பண்ணீங்க, அந்த ஜேர்னி எப்படி இருந்தது?
Actually, I didn't put on much weight for Shyam Singh. It looks like that, I know, because actually till today I have shot Vasu. Tomorrow morning I started Shyam. I didn't have time also to put on weight and all. But because the beard is gone, I look a little more chubby, which added to the character and which added to our advantage. But not as weight-wise, but I think character and performance-wise, the approach was completely different for Vasu and Shyam, because Shyam belongs to 1950s and 60s, and Vasu belongs to 2020 and all. So it's a huge contrast. Even the body language can't be casual with Shyam. Vasu is a boy next door. Shyam is someone you look up to. So it was, I won't call it a challenge, it was fun. I enjoyed it. I had so much fun shooting, and now I think we have seen the film, so we are very happy with it. I hope you all also love the film.
வணக்கம் சார், மீனாட்சி சுந்தரம் கேட்குறேன்.
சார்,
டைட்டில் வந்து வித்தியாசமாக இருக்குது. கதை பேக்ரவுண்டும் கொல்கத்தாவில் இருக்குது. தெலுங்கு பீப்புள் நிறைய எடுத்திருக்கீங்க. தமிழ் ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கு எந்த அளவுக்கு இது கனெக்ட் ஆகும், எந்த அளவுக்கு அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிவிடாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிங்க?
இது how the title and the backdrop of Bengal, how alien it is to Telugu people, that much only alien it is to Tamil people, because it's Bengal backdrop. But it is only the title till you watch the film. Once you watch the film, Shyam, the whole setup, the Pallavi's role, Shyam Singh Roy title, everything will become our own. Whether it's Tamil audience, whether it's Telugu audience, everyone will own it, because there is a now for the Tamil version, Shyam's father is Bengali, mother is Tamilian. So it is also coming from the story, so it will become very and why he's a Bengali and why are we telling his story here, you'll understand when you watch the film.
சார், இப்போ பெரும்பாலான படங்கள் இப்போ தமிழில் உருவாகிற படங்கள் தெலுங்கில் ரிலீஸ் ஆகுது. தெலுங்கில் வர படங்கள் இப்போ எல்லாம் இங்கே தமிழில் ரிலீஸ் ஆகுது. இது ஒரு புது மாடலை உருவாக்கியிருக்கு பிஸ்னஸில் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களா? நீங்கள் ப்ரொடியூஸும் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க, அதனால கேட்குறேன்.
I think this always happened. It's not Pudu model, I feel. From the beginning, from the childhood, my childhood, I've been seeing so all the Tamil films I've seen. I'm a big fan of, I've said Kamal sir and Rajni sir. All films watched the morning show. I used to go watch it in Satyam Theatre in Hyderabad. Same in that Satyam Theatre, I used to watch films every Friday. And we are all very, very used to watching all the Tamil films. And at the same time, there are few Telugu films which are big hits here. I think in between somewhere there was a gap, chinna gap, but I think that's a cycle. It will keep repeating once in a while, and then how again Nani or Bahubali or all those films, how much you guys encouraged Telugu cinema. I think it's Now every time a lot of friends from here who when they come to promote the films in Hyderabad, actors, Vijay Sethupathi or Shiv Karthikeyan or Karthi, all these guys who we know very closely, they'll give us a call. And I wanted, when I was coming here, I messaged them that I'm coming here for this launch event. There's a very, very friendly bond. And if the films are working very well, when Tamil films are working very well in Telugu, and Telugu films are working very well in Tamil, I hope we all together will merge and make bilingual films, which, you know, maybe one actor from Tamil, one actor from Telugu will act together. I'm hoping that will happen soon. But I think the remake and the audience appreciating the neighborhood states content has been always there, and it keeps once in a while you will see these super hit blockbuster films, and I hope one of them becomes Shyam Singh Roy.
நானி ஷியாம் சிங்காராய் படத்துக்கு பிறகு நீங்க தமிழ்ல நிறைய படங்கள் பண்ண முடியுமா? யார் டைரக்ஷன்ல நீங்க நடிக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறீங்க?
தமிழ்ல மணி சார் பெரிய ஃபேன், and I did 1-2 times we were supposed to work together also. It didn't materialize, and it is my bucket list. One day I want to work with Mani sir, not just in Tamil, in the world. If you ask me one director who I want to work with, that is Mani sir.
Thank you. All the very best.
Fiction, created. It's not biopic or not any based on anything, but a lot of research and how Bengal time lo ela undevallu, how they used to be, and a lot of homework has been done from the real life characters, but the story and the characterization is fiction.
Naniji here, right here, right to your right. You said that Shyam Singh Roy will be one film that will be